Hello friends, welcome to my channel That Rishika's Education Life. Myself Rishika and here is the video for you. And guys, in this video we are going to see the warming up, margin and also the workshop of the lesson of yours, that is Intellectual Rubbish. And guys, मैंने इस पर explanation video already अपने channel पर upload कर दिया है, जिसके link आपको description में मिल जाएंगे. And if you like the video, please press the like button and share my video, and please do subscribe my channel for such further videos. So let's start with the video now. So guys, here is the warming up of your lesson Intellectual Rubbish, and this one is the first question. How will you react in the following situations? So आपको यहाँ पर 3-4 situations दिए हैं और इस situation में आप कैसे react करोगे ये आपको लिखना है. Your science teacher tells you plants exposed to the sunlight grow faster than those always in the shade. So answer is, science is a subject that is purely based on facts that are proved by observation and experiments. If my science teacher teaches me something, it will surely, it is surely, surely be something that is proven. Also, I would undertake the experiment to see it myself. Okay, so now we'll move to the next question. Your aunt tells you not to go for a job interview because it's a no moon day, that every same day. So the answer is, I would respectfully tell my aunt that these are all superstition, as no good work can be done on a no moon day. I would explain her that in earlier times, there were no electricity, so people find it difficult to work on a no moon day, it is DAY, or dark time. So, from there, the idea of not doing anything important on the no moon day came to exist. Okay, so next question. Your friend argues with you that Mount Everest is not the tallest peak in the world. Okay, the answer is, I would try to show him or her the proof of the fact that it is indeed the tallest peak in the world. I would show the information via internet from a reliable source or from books available having the information, so that she knows that her assumption ASSUMPTIONS is wrong and she knows the right thing. So, D1, a stranger at your door claims to be a magician and promises your mother to turn all her silver jewelry into gold. Okay, the answer is, I would refrain from opening the door and would ask the stranger, it is REFRAIN. Okay, ask the stranger to leave immediately. I would persuade my mother not to give anything to the stranger because he is a fraud. He would steal all her jewelry from her. I would tell her that it is not scientifically possible to change silver into gold since there are different elements. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. So the next one, what do you notice about the following pairs of words? Okay, यहाँ पे जो आपको pairs दिए हुए हैं कुछ कुछ words के, उसके बारे में आपको बताना है कि आप इसमें से क्या notice कर रहे हो. The answer is, the above pairs of words are two opposite words or ideas, IDEAS, ideas used together. Okay, this much you have to write only. Okay, the next question. Now try to add an contradictory word to the following. So this one is the answer. You may take the screenshot. Okay, now we'll move to the next one, that is your margin. So first one is, what erroneous notion did Aristotle have? What does his example convey to you? Aristotle had the erroneous notion that women had fewer teeth than men. His example conveys that opinions are sometimes just random assumptions that are not actually proven and might not be correct. It is a good idea to put an assumption to the test of observation, which Aristotle could have done by counting the teeth of his wife. Okay, you may take the screenshot. How can you prevent developing a dogmatic attitude? Okay, the answer is, according to the writer, there are various means to prevent a dogmatic attitude. He suggests the use of observation or the test of experience to overcome it. Another good way of riding dogmat is to become aware of opinions held in social circles different from one's own. Adopting the foreign customs might help, but it is not always effective. He says that Imagining an argument with a person having a different bias, not keeping opinions that flatter self esteem, and remembering that man is a small part of the entire universe help to prevent a dogmatic attitude. Next is, what do you feel when someone opposes your strong belief? The answer is, if someone opposes my strong belief, I would be a little distressed at first, but I would, it is WOULD, would not be worried. I would try to discuss the matter and reasons behind both the agreements. I would help, I could keep my mind open to new ideas and verify the truth. Okay. Okay, sorry guys. By mistakenly, I had written here argument instead of arguments. It is AGRUMENTS. Okay, it is arguments. So now we'll move to the next question. Someone insists that 2 plus 2 is equal 5. If someone insists that 2 plus 2 is equal 5, I would feel pity for the person ignorance. I would explain the logic behind the right answer to him or her. I will make sure that I am not rude or argumentative while doing so. Okay. What two examples does the writer give to those who have opinions that flatter their self esteem? The answer is, to those who have opinions that flatter their self esteem, the writer gives the example of how 9 times out of 10, both men and women are firmly convinced of the superior excellence of their own sect. He gives another example of how, whatever part of the world we come from, we are persuaded that our own nation is superior to all others. Okay? So, next is, what is the only way to tackle such self pride? The answer is, the only way to tackle such self-pride is to remind ourselves that man is a brief episode in the life of a small planet in a little corner of the universe, and it is possible that the other part of cosmos may contain beings superior to us. Okay, next one. What two evils does fear lead to? How can one overcome fear? Answer is, fear leads to the evils of superstition and cruelty. One can overcome fear by wisdom, by the pursuit of truth, and by an endeavor to make life worthy. Okay, next question. What is the aim of primitive magic? The answer is, the aim of primitive magic is to secure safely either by injuring enemies or by protecting oneself by talisman, spells, or incantations. Okay, so next question. So this is the last question of the margin. How did the prophetess befool her believers? The answer is, the prophetess announced to her numerous followers that she possessed the power of walking on water. Okay, this line is cut because मैंने इसे double लिख दिया था. Sorry for that. On water, and she proposed to do so at 11 a.m. on a certain morning. The followers gathered on the date, okay, that is date at the mentioned lake, and the prophetess asked them if they were entirely persuaded that she could walk on the water. They all agreed, and the prophetess then announced that then it was no need for her to show it to them. Now, since they had agreed that they do believe that she is capable to walk on water, they could not question her. This is how the prophetess, okay, befooled her believers. So now we move to the workshop. The following expressions are a combination of noun preceding by a describing word. ओके यहाँ पर आपको कुछ नाउन दिए हुए हैं जिसमें कुछ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड के साथ रिप्लेस द डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स विथ एज मैनी अदर्स एज यू कैन दैट गो विद द अंडरलाइंग नाउन. ये जो नाउन है उसके साथ आप देख सकते हो, जैसे कि आपको मिस्टेक के साथ सिली, ग्रेव, केयरलेस, ऑब्वियस, ये सब सारे यूज़ किए हैं. वैसे आपको बाकी सब रिमेनिंग का भी करना है. सो फर्स्ट विल गो विद द डैट. ओके, so you can see here it is balanced diet, healthy diet, heavy diet और adequate diet. Okay, ये 4 example आप लिख सकते हो. Next is device. Here in the question it is simple device. We use latest device, electronic device, useful device, and similar device. Okay, So next one, that is controversy. Okay, there is savage controversy. The answer is biggest controversy, public controversy, famous controversy, interesting controversies. Okay, so next I have given you this foreign customs. Okay, the answer is ancient customs, religious customs, Indian customs, culture customs. Next is modern technique is also there, that is G1. Standard technique, okay, effective technique, similar technique, basic technique. D1, that is plentiful supply, you can say short supply, abundant supply, good supply, regular supply. Foolish customs, okay, you can say that is E1. Okay, yours. You may say traditional customs, yes, social customs, old customs, local customs. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. So here is use the following idioms or expressions in sentences of your own. So first is to be prone to. Localities that are prone to flooding during rains must be given priority. Okay, next is to have a difference of opinion. My friend and I always have a difference of opinions when it comes to what we should eat. Okay, next is to go beyond. The inspector had to go beyond all possible boundaries in order to succeed in his mission. Okay, next is to have a beneficial effect. Drinking green tea has a beneficial effect on your body. To have a bias. An ideal leader would not have a bias towards any of his followers. To undo. The tailor had to undo the whole dress and sew it all over again. To be wary of. I was warned to be wary of burglars when home alone. Next is under the influence. We should never come under the influence of any stranger, stranger, stranger we meet. So here is your third one question, that is say why. Okay, आपको यहाँ बताना है जितने क्वेश्चन है ये क्यों लिखे हुए हैं, इसके आंसर्स क्या है. One should avoid getting angry about a difference of opinion. Why? So answer is one should avoid getting angry about a difference of opinion because one might find an examination that the belief is going beyond what the evidence warrants. The writer found his stay abroad very profitable. The answer is the writer found his stay very profitable because it helped him in diminishing the intensity of prejudice towards the ideas of a foreign country. The next question. The writer grew less dogmatic and more open-minded. The writer grew less dogmatic and more open-minded through realizing the possible reasonableness of a hypothetical opponent. Men declaring that they are sons write letter to the writer. Men declaring that they are sons wrote, W-R-O-T, wrote letters to the writer because each of them wanted the writer mention them in his lectures as the Masiha. Last is the writer claims that all false beliefs need not to be replaced by cold science. The writer claims that all false beliefs need not to be replaced by cold science because it is possible that the world would lose interest and variety without those beliefs. Okay, next question. So fourth one is make sentences of your own to show the difference of uses of the following homophones. Homophones के मतलब क्या होते हैं कि वो उसे हम pronounce एक ही तरह से करते हैं but they have the different meaning. So यहाँ पर आपको वैसे homophones दिए हुए हैं 3. Okay, so आपको basically यहाँ पर क्या करना है 6 homophones is there and आपको इस पे sentences बनाना है with the help of this words. Okay, first one is device. Okay, the answer is my new device is very complicated to handle. Okay, next is also device. Rita devised an academic plan for for herself for the month of August. Next one is advice. My grandfather gives me sound advice. Advice. Because of the accident, Parth was advised not to go cycling for a month. Next is practice. The church gates have adopted the practice of regular Sunday masses. Practice. The dancers practice dedicatedly for the upcoming competition. Okay. So the fifth question of yours, इसके जो आपको answers है, you will get in the PDF form in the description below. Okay, आप वहाँ से जाके ले सकते हो. We'll move to the next. Okay, that is sixth one. List the various ways of avoiding error mentioned in the passage. Become aware of opinions held in social circles different from your own. Imagine an argument with a person having a different bias. Okay, next question. So these are the answer the following question. First one is, if an opinion contrary to your own makes you angry, what does it indicate? The answer is here. If an opinion contrary to your own makes us angry, it indicates that we are subconsciously aware of having no good reason for thinking as we do. So the question is next, what are the most savage controversies about? The most savage controversies are those matters to which there is no good evidence either way. Next is, what are the benefits of travel? The answer is, the benefit of travel is that it diminishes the intensity of prejudice towards the ideas of a foreign country. Is the influence of foreign customs always beneficial? No, the influence of foreign custom is not always beneficial, as it may lead to the adoption of some foolish ideas as well. What are the advantages of an imaginary argument with a person having a different bias? The advantage of an imaginary argument with a person having a different bias is that the method is not subject to the same limitation of time and space that a real argument has. Why should one be wary of opinions that flatter one's self-esteem? One should be wary of opinions that flatter one's self-esteem because they are inherently insoluble. How does fear lead us to error? Answer is, fear leads us to error sometimes directly by inviting rumors of disaster in wartime or by imagined objects of term such as ghost. Sometimes it works indirectly by creating belief in something comfortable such as. So basically आप मैं आपको एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप अगर खुद से ट्राई करें इस आंसर्स को लिखने के लिए, ओके, सो इट विल बी बेटर. And or heaven for ourselves and hell for the enemies. It hampers our ability to think correctly about about important matters. Okay, next is. So next is, what is the meaning of intellectual rubbish? Yes, ये आपका लेसन ही है. What is the meaning of intellectual rubbish से आप क्या समझते हो? Okay, आप इसे खुद से भी लिख सकते हो. आप मेरे आंसर्स के पॉइंट्स लेके और आपको जो समझा है आप वो लिख सकते हो. Okay, it will be good for you. Intellectual rubbish, according to the writer, is everything that defines logic and is irrational. He gives multiple examples of how people's unthoughtful action leads to error in life, which can simply be avoided if they act smartly. The writer explains that blind belief, dogmatism, prejudice, bias, unreasonable flattery, conceit, fear, myth, superstition are all intellectual rubbish. So ninth one, find the opposite of the following. Okay, जो words आपको उसके opposites लिखने हैं. So the answer is conscious, inconscious, dogmatic, open-minded. Contrary, similar, savage, mild, beneficial, disadvantageous, reasonable, unreasonable, hypothetical, real, cruelty, compassion, immune, okay, suspectable, okay. So guys, by mistakenly मैंने ये question छोड़ दिया, sorry for that. What are the two ways of avoiding fear? The answer is, the two ways of avoiding fear are, first one, by persuading ourselves that we are immune from disaster, and second is by the practice of sheer courage. Okay. So the 10th one is an imaginary dialogue. Okay, the topic is given here, girls should learn to do all the housework and not boys. So basically आपको 10th and your 5th question के जो answers है आपको, it is available in the PDF form. Okay, in the, you can get in the description. Okay, please go through that. And guys, this much is the video, and thank you for watching. Keep learning with me. Stay safe.